welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some Amazon things that I like that are under 15 and very quarantine friendly. I also think they're great white Santa presents. So definitely keep watching if you want to see some affordable and timely presents. So let's get on with the video. So the first one I had are Airpod cases. Everyone and their moms now have AirPods, let's be real. I know we used to make fun of it so much with all those memes and stuff, but I got into it last year and now I feel like everyone just has AirPods. Amazon has like the cutest ones ever. There's one for all different kind of personalities and things one might like. There's like some fashion ones. There's these really cute food ones that I've seen, like a hot Cheetos one. So I would totally like to get that. And I think that's a really great gift. A lot of them, most of them actually are under $15. So I don't know about you guys, but I've been painting a lot during quarantine. I feel like everyone nowadays is getting very creative and painting. So I think a really cool and useful gift idea would be a painting set. So you can get a stack of canvases and paintbrushes for just under $15. The next gift idea is another fun thing that you can do in quarantine. It's also a very good present to give because games can be played all year round and a lot of people just keep games in case people come over and they host. You can just play them, so it's definitely a useful present to buy. So some games that I would recommend that are under $15 is Say Anything, Uno, of course, Connect 4, Guess Who. Puzzles are also a really good idea. This is something that can make you mentally stimulated and also have fun at the same time. It's also a family activity, which is really nice. Okay, the next thing, I don't know if everyone's gonna like to get, definitely give it to someone who is a bookworm, but I personally wanted to stop the habit of using my phone before bed because one, is just not good for you, and the blue light is not as good for your eyes, especially when you're trying to sleep. So I did buy one of these. I don't do it often, but I would use this to read some books before bed because I always feel like I need to do something before I sleep. So that is something to definitely buy if your friend or loved one or child is a bookworm. The next thing is on my buy list. It is a mug warmer. I know every time in the morning when my parents give me some coffee or I make tea or whatever, it always ends up getting cold because I have it and then I forget I have it because I'm preoccupied doing other things. So I always wish I had a mug warmer. It would keep it hot and keep it toasty, and we all know that drinking hot fluids and tea and all of that is really good during quarantine. So this present is under $15 and just would be super useful. The next present I have is a massager. This would be a really great idea because a lot of people are working from home. A lot of people are at their desk the whole day just working, and I know that causes a lot of backache sometime or some muscle pain. So having a massager that's portable and small and easy to use and doesn't make any noise, that's really useful. Obviously this present is probably good for our older folks here, but I think it's a very cute little gift to give. So this product I actually have and I love it. It just looks so cool in your room because it lights up. It is a humidifier, and this obviously is really great during quarantine because humidifiers help with your skin and your breathing and all that stuff. You can also put like scents into this with your water, so it makes your room smell good. So it definitely serves a lot of purposes. Totally recommend this thing. If you pair it up with some essential oils as well, I think it'll be an overall thoughtful and cute gift. So I actually have this one. It is a shower speaker. Not gonna lie, the reason I got this is because I got into podcasts a lot during quarantine, and sometimes I just didn't have time to hear it because I was like working and I had other things to do. So I was like, how do I make my shower more productive? I'm a psycho in that type of sense because I used to study SAT words in the shower and like watch TV in the shower. I know it's really weird, but anyways, I wanted to get a Bluetooth speaker in the shower so I can listen to podcasts, but not gonna lie, I usually do just listen to music. But I don't know, I think this is a great gift and something I would be super duper happy to receive. And it is something technological under $15. So definitely give it a look if you have a music lover or a podcast listener in your life. So the next one is another technological gift. It is a wireless charging pad. These are just so useful. If you're on the go, you just put it on your desk or wherever it is and it just charges without having to plug it in. But I think it's pretty cool. It's under $15, so definitely a good present to give. The next thing I have on my list are two light products. If you guys know, but there's this thing that went viral over TikTok and like everyone has it. It's like a Starlight projector for your room. I also bought that, which I'm excited about. that unfortunately is not $15. It is like almost $50, which is super duper expensive. So there are other cool alternatives that I also have. This is the light that I found, and I usually use this for like parties or like birthday parties, and it's just a really fun thing. And if you watch movies and stuff, it's kind of fun to put in the background. So I definitely recommend this. It's a really fun product and it's so affordable. The next thing is this other light. Kylie Jenner definitely made this pop off. It's like the starlight background in the hoods of cars. I just think it brings good vibes and it looks really cute. I would totally recommend this if you want to be trendy. So this is for my self-care lovers or anyone you think needs to relax more. It is these face masks. I kid you not, guys, I swear by these masks. When I used to use them consistently, I definitely saw improvement in my skin. It's also, I believe, a Korean brand. Korean skincare is definitely really good. These masks will definitely change your life. The last two things are home decor related. So I don't know about you, but I've seen everyone have a plant baby this quarantine. So I found this really cute hanging macrame and it is adorable. I also know a lot of people have been into redecorating their houses, so this would be a really great present for someone who is maybe moving to a new room or trying to spice things up, or just into like home decor and Pinteresting and all that stuff. I think this is super trendy right now as well, so definitely a great present to get. I feel like you could find the same thing in Urban Outfitters for like 50 bucks. So I really like this. I'm also moving to a new house soon, so this will be really, really fun to put in my room. Also in the plant theme, the next product I found I think are so cute. Like I would love if someone gives this to me, is these cactus candles. Aren't they the cutest thing ever? I know candles have been really, really big in quarantine too, so I don't think you could go wrong giving this present. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that quick video. I hope you guys found some products you might want to give yourself or to someone else, and I hope you guys have a really safe and great holiday season. For all those that are celebrating, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your bell notifications. Definitely also follow me on my social media accounts. That will really be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!